Hello, my name is Elia. Welcome at the flower market. The flower market is full of different species of flower. It's a permanent market in downtown Amsterdam. The market was until 1862 located at the St. Lucianwal, but when the Nieuwezijdsvoorwegwal was full in 1883, the flower market moved to this current location on the single between the square and the Mona E. At the time the market was still called Trees and Plant Market. It was hard to sell flowers in the 60s of the 20th century because most Dutch people were really poor in this century. The stalls are located on boats in the canal. This is a relic from the time they were brought from outside into the city. Back in the time, flowers were brought with ships on this canal and were sold from the ships on this canal to the people. Back to that time, the flowers were not so. You didn't have so much different kinds of species of flowers. There was just, I think, a couple of 20 or 30 species of flowers were sold to the people because people were poor. Souvenirs. You can also buy a lot of souvenirs these days. There's a huge variation of flower bulbs also, and there are a lot of flower bulbs who are legal here and forbidden in the United States of America. This causes a lot of American tourists who are interested in these bulbs, like for example weed, cannabis, and that kind of stuff, and plants. The government of Amsterdam wants to save the old image of the flower market, so they decided to give the shops a maximum of souvenirs they can sell to the people. This caused a lot of problem with the souvenir shops because they don't get so much money for their products, and if they can't sell souvenir products, like you can see here in this shop, well, that's a problem because they can't pay their taxes of the government. So they decided to figure something else. So they agreed with a maximum of flowers with a maximum of souvenirs they can sell. The government has agreed with the shops that they only may sell flower products or other products from the nature, like seeds and bulbs, flowers. That's okay, but no more. But not too much touristic souvenir stuff. That's forbidden now.
Okay.
So as you can see, we are now at the flower market with my college. We wish you a pleasant day. Have a good night.
Bye.
Goodbye.